Hi everyone and welcome to Swahili Kingdom. So today let's learn the Swahili beginner phrasal verbs, where I suggest every beginner must know these phrasal verbs because they are used every minute, every hour. You should know these phrasal verbs. So hello guys, phrasal verbs are very important, especially when you are learning Swahili. You wouldn't want to be misinterpreted, would you? You will also like to understand when someone else is using them, won't you? If that is the case, then this video is made personally for you because Swahili speakers like using phrasal verbs a lot. And most of the time in their songs, they are phrasal verbs. So why? Because they don't mean what they seem to. They have a deeper meaning, and that's why the Swahili people likes using them, because they don't like talking directly to you. They will use a phrasal verb so that you can go and find out the meaning. It is called kuficha makali. Kuficha makali, hiding the sharp words. This video has a collection of 20 phrasal verbs which are very important and very common too. As I said, they are used in our day-to-day life, every minute, every hour. So let's check the promo we have for you today. Today I get to you with a language learning offer opportunity from ITALKI. ITALKI is a huge online group of both native and non-native community. We have teachers, community teachers and professional teachers who give one-on-one lessons. You can learn Swahili and over 130 other languages anytime, anywhere. So they gave me an offer to pass on to you, and since many of you ask me how they can talk to native speakers, ITALKI is the solution. So the offer is you will receive $10 free credit in your student wallet 48 hours after you first purchase of any amount. Just click on the link and sign up. Learn from anywhere in the world, incredibly affordable way of learning. There is even $1 trial lesson, much cheaper than an offline tutor. There is a community accessible for free. Use it to learn the language culture from native speakers who know the real deal. So learn Swahili and over 130 other languages anywhere and in the world, as long as you have a stable internet connection. We have a native communities, teachers, trial lessons, language challenges, which you can access for free. So use the link in the description box below. You can use niche classes, meaning there is Swahili for tourists and other categories too. Get it today to quickly grasp the Swahili in your niche. Get the accent you want, meaning the accent from Kenya, Tanzania, or wherever country that you want. Don't wait no more. Get ITALKI using the link in the description box below so that you can get your offer. The first one, kupiga pasi, to iron. Maria amefika nyumbani mapema, anataka kupiga nguo zake pasi. Maria has arrived home early. She wants to iron her clothes now. So, let me tell you a secret. These phrasal verbs are just like a vocabulary because there is no other word for to iron except to kupiga pasi. Okay, so make sure you get them. They are not just phrasal verbs. They are also a vocabulary. Number 2, kupiga simu, to call through a phone, kupiga simu. Anafaa kupiga simu baada ya kumaliza kusoma. He should call after he finishes to read or after he finishes reading. By the way, if you want to know how to say must or should, we have anafaa. Use the link suggested on top. Just press on the link suggested on top and go check it out. Number 3, kupiga mswaki, to brush teeth. Yeye hupiga mswaki mara 2 kila siku. He usually brushes her teeth twice every day. Kupiga mswaki, and we said in phrasal verb lesson, kupiga mswaki, mswaki means something easy, used as a phrasal verb, but mswaki is a toothbrush. Kupiga mswaki, to brush teeth, okay? Number 4, piga kelele. Piga kelele, make noise. Piga kelele, make noise. Tuko maktabani, usipige kelele. We are in the library, don't make noise. In the library, there should be silence. You shouldn't make noise. Make sure you are writing some notes for future reference. Number 5, kupiga kengele. We have kelele, noise, kengele, bell. Kupiga kengele, to ring a bell. Ngoja, masaa yakifika, kiranja atapiga kengele. Ngoja, masaa yakifika, kiranja atapiga kengele. Wait, when times arrives, the prefect will ring the bell. Number 6, kupiga nduru or kupiga mayowe, to shout or to scream. Kupiga nduru is mostly used when you just shout, and mayowe when you shout because of pain. Example, aliposikia kuhusu kifo cha Bwana Mategi, alipiga nduru or alipiga mayowe. When he heard of Mr. Mategi's death, he screamed, so he felt pain. Number 7, kupiga chenga. Kupiga chenga is to dodge, avoid, or confuse. I've given 3 examples. The first one, Danieli aliuchukua mpira na kumpiga chenga Baraka. Football. Daniel took the ball and dodged it through Baraka. Mambo nisiyoyajua hunipiga chenga kila wakati. Things I don't know confuse me every time. Hebu njoo, usinipige chenga. Come here, don't avoid me. Kupiga chenga is also a phrasal verb, a real phrasal verb, which means to confuse, but if it is not a phrasal verb, if it is not used as a phrasal verb, it means to dodge. As a phrasal verb, it means to avoid or to confuse. So I've given you all the 3 meanings. It's for you to decide which one you want to use. Number 8, piga magoti, kneel down. Piga magoti. Piga magoti uombe msamaha. Piga magoti uombe msamaha. Kneel down and ask for forgiveness. Number 9, piga mbizi, dive. Piga mbizi, dive. Juma alipiga mbizi jana jioni. Juma alipiga mbizi jana jioni. Juma dived yesterday evening. Piga miao, piga miao, to yawn when you are hungry or sleepy. The yawning, opening of your mouth. Piga miao. Mtoto alipiga miao aliposikia njaa. Mtoto alipiga miao aliposikia njaa. The child yawned when he felt hungry. The child yawned when he felt hungry. Number 12, piga ngumi. Piga ngumi, punch. Piga ngumi, punch. Example, usimpige mwenzio ngumi, ni vibaya. Usimpige mwenzio ngumi, ni vibaya. Don't punch your fellow. Don't punch your fellow, either your fellow student, your colleague, or so. Don't punch your fellow, it's bad. So let me explain them. The word mwenzio. Mwenzio is the same as mwenzako. It is just that mwenzio is often used at the coast and mwenzako is used here in other parts. Kupiga makofi. Kupiga makofi, to clap. To clap hands. Baada ya kutoa hotuba, tulipiga makofi. Baada kutoa hotuba, tulipiga makofi. After giving a speech, we clapped. Kupiga mluzi, to whistle. Kupiga mluzi, to whistle. Wacha kupiga mluzi, stop whistling. Wacha kupiga mluzi, stop whistling. You can check the imperatives, the video suggested above. Swahili imperatives, how to form them. Kupiga picha. Kupiga picha, to take a photo. To take a photo. And when it is used like a phrasal verb, it means to reflect. Kutafakari, to reflect. But when it's just used normally, it means to take a photo or a picture. Nataka kupiga picha. I want to take a photo. Another one. Baada ya kupanga mipango yangu, nilipiga picha. So this one is when it is used like a phrasal verb. Baada ya kupanga mipango yangu, nilipiga picha. After planning my plans, I reflected about them. Kupiga picha, to reflect. And to reflect it is called kutafakari. But when you use it phrasically, like in a phrasal verb, it means kupiga picha. But when it is not used as a phrasal verb, it means kutafakari, kutafakari. And kupiga picha as a phrasal verb mean to reflect. Okay? Kupiga deki, to mop. Kupiga deki, to mop. 17, kupiga chapa. Kupiga chapa, to print. Musa aliambiwa zipige karatasi chapa. Musa aliambiwa zipige karatasi chapa. Musa was told to print papers. Musa was told to print papers. Piga hodi, to knock on the door. Piga hodi, to knock. Piga hodi. Piga hodi. Ukifika kwangu, piga hodi mlangoni. You can say mlangoni, or you might not say, because we know when it's about piga hodi, it's on the door, mlangoni. So if you arrive at my place, knock on the door. 19, kupiga kifua. Kupiga kifua. Kupiga kifua is to beat your chest. So phrasically, it means to praise oneself. To praise oneself. So it is often used with the G infix, because people often use it for themselves. Kujipiga kifua. Alijipiga kifua kuwa yeye ni gwiji. He praised himself that he's an expert. Kupiga kiki, to start a motorcycle. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you have learned something that will help you in your future. And I hope you have also written some notes for your future reference. Remember, notes are very important, because one day you are going to come back to them and you will smile. Bye.